Hey guys, this is me, Rahini. I really love playing with Play-Doh, and this Pepplay number dough art kit is my new obsession. Let me show you. The Pepplay number dough art kit helps you develop a solid foundation in number recognition and counting skills. You will have a blast creating vibrant numbers while reinforcing your understanding of numerical concepts. This kit introduces addition and subtraction through interactive dough based activities. You will have the opportunity to manipulate the dough shapes and symbols, building equations, and solving math problems in a hands on and playful manner. The Pepplay Number Dough Art Kit also offers exciting activities that teach comparison and measurement skills. Exploring concepts like more or less, heavy and light will enhance your critical thinking abilities. So get creative and try your hands with this amazing Pepplay Number Dough Art Kit. I can't wait to play this with my younger brother.